Gimme! Gimme! Sorry about that, folks. That's where the dog's food is kept, and if the door does not catch correctly, they do force it open and go in and have a look. I'm going to do a review on Pigs in Blanket crisps. I've done a couple of them, and I've always said that they just basically they taste like smoky bacon crisps. But what's happened is I've been walking around Tesco's, and I was with the child. And they said, oh, get some of these, look, Dad, get some of these. And they are basically a big, massive bag. I mean, look at that. That's huge. It don't even fit in the camera, does it? And if I make it go closer, it don't even fit anymore. But right, it's quite big, isn't it? It's bigger than my head in height. And I can hide behind it. And that's for the people who are visually impaired. This bag is bigger than my head. But what it is, it's sausage and bacon flavoured snack made with rice, maize and soya. Our snack experts. Started as a small family-owned business in 1956. I'm not going to say it. Over the years, they perfected crisps and other traditional snacks. Today, the draw on the heritage to evolve the classic has created new snacks for you to enjoy. Yes, you and me and you. Contains 12 servings, apparently, this bag. It's a 300-gram bag. It cost me the grand total of £1. Now, this is Pigs in Blanket, right? Suitable for vegetarians. So there is absolutely no pig, pork substance in this. It's sunflower oil, rice, flour, other stuff, flavouring, dried onion, citric acid, black pepper colours, beetroot. So they've basically used the beetroot redness to give it that piggy colour, paprika extract. It's a plastic bag and it can be dangerous, so don't stick it over your head. Store in a cool, dry place. So what it is, it's just like basically a big, massive bag of Frazzles and what's it? A very weak flavoured bacon what's it. Onto the Frazzle. Now I love a Frazzle. Frazzles are brilliant. Well, they're a bit weak in taste. To be fair, you've got to keep shoveling them in to get any kind of flavour. I think if you're going to make Pigs in Blanket crisps, right, they're a bit dry. If you're going to make Pigs in Blanket flavoured crisps, it would help if you actually used pig. Right? Because they're all right, but there's no taste to them whatsoever. It's a very, very weak pig flavour taste. Now, what was that? Your snack expert started as a small family-owned business in 1956. Well, in all them years, them round 60 years, oh God, it's drying my mouth out. In 60 plus years, they would have done better. I can't honestly understand how they've survived them years, them 60 years. So by chunneling this out, because there is absolutely no flavour. So not only have they lied to the vegetarian community by saying pigs in blankets, and then somewhere at the bottom it says vegetarian, suitable for vegetarian, they've also lied to the meat eaters of the country. Because there's no meat in it either, there's no pig in it. There might be blanket in it because it's dry enough to be a blanket. I'm going to eat these later on watching Doctor Who. But I won't be buying them again. What is it with Tesco's? Just like everything I seem to buy from Tesco's, 90% of it I won't buy again. It's like they just make things to make people spend the money, and then they don't follow it through. If they made it decent, I would probably buy it again, but there is absolutely no reason for me to buy these again. But you're not interested in just my opinion. You want these pair, don't you? Right, you come here first. What do you think? Yeah? You don't think there's a lot of bacon in it? Right, you get that. Good. You pair basically will eat anything. So there you have it, folks. For £1, I suppose you can't really moan. But it isn't really what it says on the label, is it? Festive flavour. Crunchy sausage and bacon flavoured puffs. It's sticking around your teeth and everything. The worst of Watsits. I mean, Watsits stick to your teeth anyway, but these are worse than that. I mean, you get a lot for your money, don't you? I mean, a bag quite full. A bit like my mouth. No. No. So, the verdict is, yes, by all means, buy them. The kids will probably like them. The kids will probably like them, they will probably love them. But for the connoisseur of the snack, as myself, I won't be buying them again. If you can find something else better for £1 or a little bit more, go for that option. These are just party food, aren't they? These are what you just put out in a bowl and let people finger. Keep trying them, but they're not getting any better. Right, folks, flavors.